Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to LinkedIn without password. Quick fix step-by-step clearly. Open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to LinkedIn.com on your computer. Tap or click sign in to start the login process. Enter the email address or phone number connected to your LinkedIn account. Select the option that says forgot password. On the next screen, confirm your email or phone number is correct. Tap or click submit to request a verification step. Check your email inbox for a message from LinkedIn. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the LinkedIn email and find the verification code or reset link. If LinkedIn sends a code, copy the code exactly as shown. Go back to the LinkedIn sign-in screen and paste or type the code. If LinkedIn sends a reset link, click the link and open the page securely. Create a new strong password you have not used before. Save the new password in a trusted password manager or a secure place. Return to the LinkedIn sign-in page after resetting the password. Sign in using your email or phone number and the new password. If you have access to a device where you are already logged in, open LinkedIn there. Go to Settings and Privacy from your profile menu. Open Sign In and Security to see account access options. Turn on two-step verification to make future sign-ins easier and safer. Set up an authenticator app or SMS depending on what LinkedIn offers in your region. If you see the option Sign in with Google or Sign in with Apple, choose it if your account is linked. Complete the Google or Apple confirmation to enter your LinkedIn account without typing a LinkedIn password. If you changed phones and cannot access email or number, choose Need More Help on the recovery screen. Follow the identity verification steps LinkedIn requests as carefully as possible. Make sure your device date and time are correct to avoid code errors. Try a different browser or clear cache and cookies if the page does not load correctly. After you regain access, update your email and phone number in account settings to prevent future lockouts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.